Good morning, students. Today we will learn to draw the structure of root. Right? So let us start with it. Going to make a cross section of root. Right? So let us start from the outermost layer. Outermost layer is the epidermis, as you all know. So let us draw the epidermal cells. Now these epidermal cells, some of these epidermal cells, they have an outgrowth, which is now this is called the root hair. So root hairs are just the extension of epidermal cells, right? So this is your epidermis. Some of the epidermal cells, they have outgrowth, which is called the root hair, right? So let us label it all. This is epidermis. Right? And this is what? This is the root hair. Root hair is just an extension of the epidermis. Okay. Now inner to epidermis we have is the cortex. Cortex is, let us just draw. This is epidermis and inner somewhere we have is the endodermis. So let us just draw the endodermis. All these cells are rectangular in shape, right? So this is your endodermis. This layer is of endodermis. Okay, now this is epidermis and this is endodermis. In between the two layers we have the parenchymatous cells which are forming the cortex. These are all cuboidal, right? So this is whole made up of normal parenchyma cells which is forming the cortex of the root. Cortex region, it is the bulk of the root. It is forming the bulk of the root. Bulk of the root means maximum portion in the root is being covered by these cortical cells. The function of this cortex, the cells in the cortex region, these parenchyma cells in the cortex region, is to store food and water. Store food and water for the root, right? So like this we have as cells of the cortex, right? So let us just label these also. So this region is cortex, right? So all these cells are of cortex. So outermost layer is epidermis, epidermal layer, which is protective in nature because it is the outermost layer, and outgrowth from the epidermis is forming the root hair. Root hair are extending the surface area so as to absorb more water. It enables the root to absorb more water. Then inner to the epidermis, this whole region is cortex. Cortex is made up of parenchyma cells. The function is to store food and water. Then inner to the cortex we have endodermis, and next layer to the endodermis, similar kind of layer, it is pericycle. So we can draw the pericycle. Another layer. So both these endodermis and this pericycle, they are enclosing the vascular bundle. Okay, inner to these two layers we have is the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle means the xylem and phloem are present, right? Now let us draw the xylem and phloem. So like this you can draw. These are all cuboidal cells, right? Xylem, diagrammatically it is shown with double layer, double walled structure, and phloem is the single walled. So these are otherwise normal cuboidal plant cells, right? So let us make, so when we have to make the xylem, we will make some of these cells double walled. So these double walled, these are the xylems, these are xylem cells. And the ones which are not double walled, these are the phloem cells. So let us draw some more xylem. So xylem is depicted with double walled structure and phloem is depicted with single walled structure, right? So this way we have is the xylem and phloem. So let us just label it. So this is xylem and the single walled structure, these cells, these are the phloem, right? The central region of the root is called the pith. So this is the central region. It is again made up of otherwise parenchyma cells only. So this is called the pith, right? So this is the structure of part of root I have shown you. Again let us revise. The outermost layer of the root is called the epidermis. Epidermis is protective in function. It is the extension of the epidermis is forming the root hairs, and these root hairs are increasing the surface area of the epidermis so that more water can be absorbed. Inner to the epidermis we have this cortex region which is made up of parenchyma cells, and these parenchyma cells are helping in storing food and water. Then inner to the cortex we have endodermis and pericycle which are giving protection to the inner conducting cells, conducting tissues, that is xylem and phloem. So xylem we show with double wall and phloem we show with single wall. So these are xylem cells and these are phloem cells. Now function of xylem is to conduct water in the plant and phloem conducts food in the plant. So this is all about the structure of root. Thank you, children.